Yes, guys, our ultimate couple has just been announced, and guess who this is? It's Roksie. Guys, I know you saw this coming, right? I know. I saw it coming as well. Wow, like it's a sign of relief that we had to see and watch these two win this show after so much betrayal, emotions, and everything that happened between Kachi and Rosie. Guys, I'm so happy for them. I'm so happy that they won the first season of the Ultimate Love reality TV show. After 7 weeks in the love part by the 2020 Ultimate Love guest, Kachi and Rosie won the reality TV show as couple named Roksie. All 5 finalists, which include Kachi and Rosie in bracket Roksie, Ike and Teresa, which are Ikrisa, Chrisville and Chris, Double Chris, Arnold and Bolanle Bola, were having a moment of rethink and quietness, waiting for the announcement of final checkout Ultimate Love couple. Before the final announcement of the winner, recall that the Ultimate Love Nigeria is a reality TV show for singles, but some couples were emerged from the reality show. The show commenced on February 9th, 2020 and was supposed to run for a period of 8 weeks before the outbreak of COVID-19 that led to the stop in week 7 of the Naija Love show. Guys, let's learn more about Roksie, Kachi and Rosie. They might have had a few glitches to the start of their relationship, like we all saw, but Rosie looks solid and ready to sail through the waves of love and hopefully emerge as the ultimate couple, which they just did, guys. As one of the first couples to become quite close, the rekindling of this romance should be something to behold. About Kachi, Ultimate Winner 2020. Kachi, who is a 32-year-old serial entrepreneur, is from Imo State and has a deep love for his culture and tradition. The self-proclaimed charmer firmly believes a man should always provide for his family, but has a liberal side to match. He is open to a partner having her own identity. Don't expect looks to knock him off his feet, though, as he doesn't believe in love at first sight and prefers to find something deeper to win him over. Guys, I think he might have portrayed that 1 or 2 times in the love part. About Rosie, Ultimate Love Winner. Rosie, can you give Rosie good communication, understanding, respect, and trust? The 35-year-old teacher can school you on love, as her longest relationship spanned a respectable 12 years. The Ogun State native is never short on smiles, with her dream proposal happening on the beach in the middle of a dreamy sunset. Yeah, guys, and let's not forget that Ikrisa came a long way to the finale, and though I'm still happy that Ikrisa came the first runner-up. They look so good together, guys. I know we can't take that away from them, but I wish them well. I wish them long life. I wish them all the best. I wish them strong love. I wish them everything. The youngest couples, I know they have their life ahead of them. So, guys, wish our winners well. And don't forget to share how you feel about this in the comment section. And if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. This is the channel that provides you with first-hand information on entertainment news, gist, and celebrity gossips. And also don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get notification on when a new story drops. Thank you, guys, and stay tuned.